Hi there. Thank you for joining us today. In our last vlog of the Decade in Review check-in, what we looked at is at the things that you wanted to let go of. Now, the limiting beliefs, the fears, the old to-dos which you keep on your list, and watering them down so that they don't get in the way of you in your next decade. Now, in today's vlog, what I want to be doing is I want to be dreaming. I want to be planning ahead. My name is Petra. I am the Nordic Career and Confidence Coach, and I am the founder of the Career Calling Clarifier system. Now, today what I want to look at is what is it that you want to be doing in the next decade? What do you actually want to be doing? I'm talking about looking at areas like your health, your relationships, your habits, your travel aspirations, the experiences that you want to have, the contribution you want to give to society, your finances, etc. Whatever it is that you want to be doing, what I want you to do is to write down, look into what is the best possible outcome in this area, in this specific area of your life. And again, you can choose where you want to place your focus. And what I want you to do is to ask yourself the question, what is my heart, my gut feeling telling me I should be doing? What if money was no issue? What if time was no issue? What would I be doing? Once you've asked yourself those questions, actually an interesting thing that I read about is, Brendon Burchard talks about this also in his book. He talks about successful people and how they, not only do they do the visualization, which is the part which you've just done now, but they also attach a feeling to the vision. So they look at how they want to be feeling when they reach the goal. So for example, maybe the feeling you want to generate when you have reached the goal is happiness. Maybe it is feeling like you're on top of the world. Things like that. So once you've written down what it is that you also want to be feeling in these areas, this is a strong sort of guide to yourself, to your brain, to set you on the right path and know when you have tapped into it, when you have achieved it as well. The next question, what I want you to answer is to firstly choose 3 areas out of all of these areas that you have written down and looked at. Only 3 areas. And then I want you to ask yourself, why is it that I want to achieve these goals? Because not only is this your inspiration factor behind how you're going to achieve your goals, a motivator as well, it also gives you that kind of guidance as to whether these goals are your true goals. So if you answer, when you answer the question, why do I want this, and nothing comes out, then probably it isn't a true goal for you. Or if you answer it saying, well, my family wants me to do that, then probably it isn't a real goal for you. Then I want you to look at what strengths, what character traits, what habits do you already possess that can help you on this journey of achieving these goals. Now looking only at the 3 which you have chosen. And then having a look at what are the things that I would like to learn more about or develop in myself to help me achieve these goals. Now we've come to the last exercise of today, and this exercise is a tiny bit out there, and I want you to bear with me. what I want you to do is I want you to settle in and imagine that you are now in the year 2030. So you're 10 years older than today. And what I want you to do is I want you to write a letter as the 10 years more experienced you to the current you. So you will write a letter giving some advice. So the 10 years older you is giving advice to the current you now today. And it's going to be in a letter format. So it would start like this. Dear Petra, or your name, I would like you to know, and then write down what the 10 years wiser you would like to let the you today know. And if you get stuck, you can use things like, I would like you to remember, or I would like you to keep on doing. And this is a wonderful exercise to look at later on. I did this myself as well. And it really gives you that kind of inspiration, little motivational talk from the older you to the current you now. And you can keep on looking at it and also adding to it as well over the months and the years. So thank you so much for doing these exercises. They will really prepare you for the next 10 years. So what we looked at in the first vlog will give you that kind of motivation or inspiration, because you will have looked at the things that you have already achieved, and then the things you have learned from your mistakes. And in the second vlog, what we looked at is the things that might be blocking you on your journey, and how to water them down a tiny bit, to be able to take them out of your head and make them less, so that they stop you on your journey. And then today we looked at what it is that you really want to be doing, giving you that kind of clarity into what you want to actually achieve in the next 10 years. So thank you so much for joining us today. I look forward to seeing you at the next monthly vlog, which will be coming out next month. So thank you so much, and I would just remind you that the truth really does come from within. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye now.